Hello, what's up guys? This is Kevin here from cryptoguynews.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can start a new bot that will trade cryptocurrency on your behalf. So if you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be updated with videos that we produce every single day. So today I'm going to show you how you can start a new bot and it can trade crypto profitably for you. Note that these bots here are only producing profitable trades. They don't produce losses, but that is not a financial advice. But I'm just showing you how these bots are profitable. So we are going to set one bot that will trade crypto on your behalf. So the one that I'm going to show you here is when you are holding a coin. Let's take for example that you're holding Bitcoin and you want to hold this Bitcoin for even 5 years or even 10 years. So this is where you will trade it. It's not good to hold crypto on your wallet. Why not add more Bitcoin even if you're holding it? I think you understand that. So let's take for example you're holding like 10 Bitcoin and you want to hold it like 5 years or even 10 years because it's maybe your retirement benefit. So instead of holding it into your wallet or even your offline wallet, it's good that you hold that coin while you are trading it. When you hold that coin while you're trading it, then you will be adding more and more BTC on it. So let's say for example you start with 10 Bitcoin. So if you trade it within a year or so, you'll have added 1 or 2 BTC, and that is good. It's that you're holding the coin and at the same time you are adding more and more coin on it. So you are holding the coin but you're still adding more and more. So today I'm going to show you how to trade while holding the coin. So for those of you guys who have less money, like $500 or even $1,000 or more, if you want to trade that money, or if you want that trade that fiat currency and convert it to the BTC and hold it for quite some time, then this is the best bot for you. It's called an S bot. So let's start a new S bot. So you'll just click start new bot here, and then you click the S bot. It will take you here and to the exchange. You will choose the exchange that you have linked to the BITSGAP. So this is Binance, this is Bitfinex, this is Bittrex, Coinbase Pro, FTX, Huobi, Kraken, KuCoin, and OKX. So there is also a link in the description below for all those exchanges that has lowest trading fee. We have Binance, Bitfinex, KuCoin, Kraken, and Bittrex and FTX down below. If you want to sign up, then sign up through that link because you'll also be supporting the channel. If you sign up using the link in the description, like on Binance, you will get 10% off in each and every trade. So you should know that when you buy and sell, then Binance charges you the trade fee. So if you sign up using that link in the description, then all the trading fee that you'll be doing on BITSGAP, you'll have 10% off each trade. So like this one, when in this using the bot, we see that when the price goes high, the boss sells, and when the price goes down, the bot buys for you on autopilot. So it is just an automatic thing, so the bot will do everything for you. So, and when you buy and sell, there is an exchange fee. So when you sign up using the links in the description below, you will be saving some exchange fee while trading on that exchange. So make sure you use the links in the description. So in this one, I'm going to choose our Binance. And before we go to choosing the Binance, I just want to show you what this is. Let's say, so we are currently on a demo mode. If you read the message over here, it says that you're currently on a demo mode. Please note that any demo bot will be closed automatically after 30 days period of time. To start using the platform for real trading, please connect any exchange in a live mode. So everything that we'll be doing here as per now will be on a demo mode, because we have to test the coin first before we take it to the live mode. So you can just click the account icon over here, and then you can toggle between the demo mode or the live mode. Now we want to start a new bot that will trade for us on autopilot. So we had already clicked this button over here, and it took us to this page. So the money that we're going to use in this exchange, as you can see, these are available balances on these exchange, and each and every exchange there is a test fiat currency and cryptocurrency that you're going to use to set up a bot. And if the bot is profitable according to you, like down here, then you can decide to take it on a live mode. So you just toggle this one off, and then it will be on a live mode. Like now we are on a live mode, but since this is a test account, we're told that we have reached the limit of the bot. But if you are trading on a real account, then you can set up now from this bot here. You'll actually choose the S bot, because in demo mode we are using the S bot. The S bot here. You choose the Binance or the exchange that you want to trade, and then go to the pair. I'm just going to take one pair here, but in the next video I'm going to show you how you can find a profitable a profitable pair that you can trade and that can give you good returns. So make sure that you check on the next video after this one. That will be part 5 of it. When you choose a pair on a demo mode, I suggest that you run the pair in 3 days before you decide to take it on a live mode. So what you should know is that the demo mode allows you to simulate real trades. You can practice until you understand it before switching on the live mode. If you click the link in the description below, it will take you to BITSGAP, and you can sign up and you can start with the demo mode. And if you do everything on a demo mode, and you find that the coin is profitable like this one, then you can switch to live mode and do the same settings on a live mode for the same pair of coin. Like I said earlier, I suggest that whenever you choose a pair of coin and you run it for at least 3 days on a demo mode before you decide to switch it to the live mode. So when you switch it to the live mode, now you will be trading with the real currency, not the demo currency as we have in the demo mode. The exchange that have the pair of the coin, because sometimes you'll find that you have the pair of coin on Binance but not Kraken or KuCoin or even Bittrex or Coinbase Pro. So if you get the pair on Binance, then you choose a Binance here. So Let's take for example like this one. I've chosen all Binance, but on my live mode you will find that some are on KuCoin, some are on Kraken, and some are on the FTX exchange. So that shows that it depends with the coin and the movement of the coin. So if it's in the Binance, or if it's in Binance, then you choose Binance as the exchange, because also Binance has lower trading fee than the rest for the same coin. And you choose the pair. We've chosen at random, but in the next video I'll show you how you can choose the best coin over here. So then I'm willing to invest like $5,000. So you will drag this one to 5,000, which is equals amount is 0.17191 for one Bitcoin. Currently, because we are the Bitcoin now is like 30,000 USDT. So when you choose between here, when you choose the amount of money you want to invest in here, this is the amount that you will have on your exchange. So you decide that you put 20% of all the money that is your exchange to trade this pair of coin. So we've chosen 20% of everything that is in our exchange. So the exchange now, as per now, is close to $25,000 USD. Okay, and I'm choosing like 20% of everything that is in the exchange so that I can trade with it. So I'll still remain with like 20,000 USD on my exchange after trading this 20%. If you want to trade on live mode, then simulate everything on the demo mode. So everything that will be shown here, everything that will be simulated here will actually be the same thing that will happen when I toggle to live mode. So you set up the low price and the high price and the grid range. And the grid range at the sweet spot that I've found here on while trading the bots, I found that 0.35 is the sweet spot for the, so you can toggle between 0.535 and 0.5 here. So you just test it out, and the one that is making you more profit, then you will stick with that. So in this one I'll test from 0.35, and then I'll test again from 0.4 and above up to 0.5 is my sweet spot. In here you use the between 20 to 40 levels grid lines. You set your lower price and you set your higher price. So here you'll put 25. You just click the ruler here. So this is where the price starts, and you make sure that it is 25. You just click and go down. So you put like, just read at this point, you put like 25. Okay, and this is my price, 0.007, and that was where my low price will be. Okay, and here I'll put 5%, 5% up, not 10%, 5%. So that will be 5% will be 0.002968, 0.00296. We can put 0.0097. It's not bad also, but this one I think this one was 30%, 25% down. No, it's 27, 25% is here. So you will drag up to that point. So these are the grid lines. So you see it has gone to up to 87. So this the sweet spot, we say that is 0.535 to 0.5. So this one will put like 3.5. So the upper line, we have said it's 5%, and the downward is, the upper one is 0. This percent, 0. This, and this one is 0.002099, and this one is 0.002976. So this is 5% and this is 25%. So we can just confirm again, just click and drag up to there. You can see it's 25.4%, and that is good. And this one is, and this one is 5.92%. That one is good also. So what happens here is the downward is the waves. You buy the wave and you sell to get Bitcoin. Okay, so I'll show you what is happening here. So after doing that, we review our bot and see whether the settings that we've made, or the settings that we've made here, is just the same settings that we wanted to do. So we confirm this is Binance, and we choose the pair down here, and I'll show you that in the next video. I'll show you how you can get the profitable coin pair that is more profitable. And this is now a test. This is just a test because we are testing what can happen. And this is the amount of investment. So from our exchange, we investing $5,000, and that $5,000 is just 20% of everything that is on our exchange. So, and then we set up the high price as 25% at 5%, and down here as 25%. Okay, or anything close to 25%, because it's not a must that it should be exactly, but it's something that 25 point something percent and 5 point something percent. And then we calculate the grid step as 0.35 to 0.5, just test the sweet spot of you, because if we do here as 0.5, everything on the grid level will change to 70, but here we are doing 0.35. Okay, now that will be the percentage. That will be the percentage. So those are the grid steps here. So we have, overall we have 100 grid levels. These are the 100 grid levels. If you count them one by one, they'll reach 100. And then we use the ruler here to set up 5% on top and 25% down here, so that we get 0.35 grid steps. So this is the distance between the grids, is 0.535% of overall percentage of 100%. And then we toggle the trailing up to off before we do a back test. So what a back test is in 30 days, in the previous 30 days, if we could have done this on the previous 30 days, we could be profiting at 19.35%. Okay, So we'll be profiting like 19.35%. So as you can see, this is a simulation of what was to happen if we had set this one 30 days ago. So the bot here buys and sells. Let me just just zoom it out. The bot, when the bot goes high and low, goes high and low, it buys and sells, it buys and sells, but we are still remaining on the grid lines. Okay. So we're still remaining on the grid lines. So when it goes up here, because we have set the trailing up, it is not buying or selling while it is up. So it only buys and sells when it comes to the grid line. Okay. So that is trailing up. So then we put this trailing up on. So if you do a back test of that, you see it is actually not giving us a good thing. So there we had 19%, but now we are having, we had 19%, but now we are having 3%. So when you are testing the back test, make sure that you put the trailing up off before you do a back test. As you can see now, it is 19%, because with the trailing up. So let me just show you what will happen. So when we set up this bot, when it goes down and down and down, it will still buy and sell, as provided it's still between within the grid line. When it goes beyond the grid line, it will not do any trades unless it comes on the grid line. So when it goes up on the grid line, when it reaches this point, then it trails up. Okay, so we don't lose any trade when the coin pair is going up. But when it goes down, it will reach this point, and this is the low price that we've set. We don't want it to come up to 0, but we want it to come up to this point, and then when it goes down beyond here, then it will not do any trade, like as the way you saw on the back test, the way you've seen in the back test. Now this is the simulation. So it won't make any trade here, but when it is between the grid line, it does everything. It does the buying and selling. And because we if we put the trailing up, then we'll still do trades while the coin is going up and down. So when it is on trailing up, the coin will still do some trades on buying and selling, and when it goes down to the grid, it will go it will also do the transactions of buying and selling. Okay, so that is what will happen here. So but when it goes beyond the green lines, it will not do any trade, because we haven't set any trailing down, because we don't have to set any trailing down, because the coin can go up to 0, so we would have lost. So we just want it to remain within the grid line. So when it reaches here and goes down and down, that means that there is no trade that will be happening on our exchange or on our bot. So but when it goes up and up, and let's say it went up to here, or even up to here, we'll still do some trades, because we have set the trailing up. It will be trailing up, the price will just be trailing up, and when we do that and trailing up, then we start the bot. and then we confirm everything that we've done. It is an export, it is in Binance Exchange, and this is the pair that we've chosen, and this is the profit currency that we want to get. So we want to get BTC while we are doing the trade, and these are the sell orders, the levels and the steps, the high price, and the trailing up is now on, and then we confirm. So the bot is starting up. You see the market order is filled, and everything has been filled here. So as you can see, so this is the amount of this. We are not Binance Exchange, and the pair that we chosen is Waves versus BTC, and the value here is 5,000 that we've invested here, and the exchange, as per now, it is still low. Let me show you what's happening. It is still low because we've just bought while the coin was going down, and we can look at it here on a 5-minute chart, so that if each and every candlestick represent 5 minutes, so we are still within the grid, but we bought while it's down, so that's why we have minus 0.16, but the bought profit is still on a minus. Okay, so the transaction that has happened is 1, because we bought 1 here. That is automatically that we bought 1 here. So as you can see, the other bots here, we've done 3,005 during the up and down buying and selling, and you can just look at that thing here. So this is the profit and loss account. So this is where we buy, we sell, we buy, we buy, we sell, we buy, we buy, and then we sell. Okay, so everything here, because it's on a demo mode, we are not getting the exchange fee. So keep in mind that there will be some exchange fee on top of it. There will be exchange fee, but because this is a demo mode, they only give us like 0.1 per 0.0001 as an exchange fee. So make sure that you put that one in mind. So all the orders, all the orders have been filled, now you will get this. So if the orders is not filled, then you'll see that this one is a grayed out, so meaning that order hasn't been filled yet. But if you can see that it gives you something like this, that you can put, like, you can cancel, that means that the order has been it is active and is successfully running. And the coin pairs that you can hold is the BTC. You just search the top coins. You search the top 10 coins that you can hold for quite some time. These are the coins that have proven to be profitable in the near future or in the future. They include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano, Binance Coin, Stellar Lumens, amongst others. So you can do your research to get the top 5 coins that you can hold. And this bot, you should know that this bot can even run up to 5 years, so long as you will be staying on the BITSGAP platform. So because this one you pay, in BITSGAP you pay, as we saw in the earlier video, so you pay some amount while on BITSGAP. So when you pay the monthly fee for the BITSGAP, this trade can even last for over 10 years. So it should be known to you that all the exchanges, all the money, all the crypto will be, on your exchange. This is just a bot that trades on your behalf, but all the money is in your exchange. So you can decide to withdraw your money from your exchange, then BITSGAP will not do anything, because this is just an interface to trade on your behalf. It's like your employee is trading on your behalf, but it does everything 24/7. So remember, you can pause the bot and add more coin that you want, Ethereum or BTC. Just come here and then you modify, and then you can pause. There is a way you can pause it. Just cancel here. Now you can just come here and cancel it, so that you can restart the BTC. And sometimes the price of the coin can come down up to here, and when it comes down, it can stay down here for weeks when it's going down. So if you in that way, you can cancel the bot and you can restart a new, because that when it's down here, it will not be doing any trades. So you can start a new bot, or you can cancel the previous one and start a new one. So you can regrid, so it can come back to the normal. So that is the way how you can set your new bot. If you're new to the channel, please show some love by subscribing and turn the notification bell. And in the next video, I'm going to show you now how you can find the profitable pair of coins for you to trade. So stay tuned.